even after completion of TB treatment. Okay, I didn't see this. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, just to give you a background to this work. So even after completion of treatment, TB frequently leaves the individual with chronic physical and psychosocial impairment. I think Professor Elizabeth from Kenya touched on this when she talked about post-TB lung disease. So during the TB treatment phase, there have been like interventions for like counseling and social and financial support. But however, there's limited data for post-TB treatment care. So in order to design interventions for post-TB care, there's a need to understand what psychological, social, and economic care would be the most preferred and acceptable. So this study aims to inform future guidelines and recommendations for person-centered post-TB care. So the specific aim for this work was to describe the TB survivor preferences for psychosocial and economic care after completing TB treatment. So in order to do this, we had interviews with 23 adults who completed pulmonary TB treatment in Johannesburg, South Africa. So these interviews were done between April 2024 and October 2024. And we recorded the interviews, we transcribed verbatim, translated into English, and analyzed thematically in vivo. Moving on to what the TB survivors indicated that they want in terms of psychosocial support, they prefer group counseling, one-on-one counseling, peer support, health education, and post-TB follow-up. They would like to receive this at their local clinics in their homes and using digital tools. And they would like doctors and psychologists to provide these, community healthcare workers, peer or TB survivors, and support groups. And they would like to receive this every 3 to 6 months for up to 2 years after completing TB treatment. So it is important to just highlight that digital tools was not really popular among our participants in terms of, they prefer in-person counseling that builds trust, that provides safe space for reflection and also nonverbal cues. However, they indicated that digital tools can be used for psychological distress screening and for follow-up evaluations. So in terms of the financial and economic support, they indicated that they would prefer to have cash and cash vouchers, food and food vouchers, stress relief grant, unemployment insurance fund letters, income generating projects and job opportunities in their local clinics, in community and via electronic transfers, and they think that the government and NGO can provide this, and they would like to receive economic support every month for up to 2 years after completing TB. So in conclusion, these findings offer valuable insights for national TB programs, and also addressing these needs can help improve health-related quality of life, support recovery, and reduce the long-term burden on individuals and health systems. Thank you.